Pretty intense. Today is the 26th of August, 2011. There is more foam than I've ever seen on the beach. See the foam? I'll show you. This is what I mean by foam. See this stuff? It's like bubbly stuff. Like foam. Like soap suds. It's like a giant amount of soap suds. It's really creepy. I don't remember ever seeing that. Look at all the suds. Suds. And here's the ocean. And there's the surfers. You see the surfers? Let me see if I can magnify this a little bit. No. But it's still going. And people watching the surfers. And the sun setting. It's really beautiful. That's the Sands Beach Club and the Atlantic Beach Club. Here's our dunes. Protective places. And there's people watching surfers down in Long Beach. That's Long Beach. There's the surfers in Long Beach. They're right here, though. They're here in the water club. It's getting quiet. It's between waves, I guess. You know, every 7th is big. So, there's a big one. You see it? Pretty cool, right? That's a big one down there. These are little. 1, 2. That was 1. That's 2. That's 3. And there's going to be 4, 5, 6, and then a big one. All the soap suds. Soap suds. I wonder where all the fish go. So we took 3 hotel rooms at JFK Holiday Inn Express. It's costing us $1,000, maybe more. And Joe and her friend are coming, and Ava, and me, and Danny, and David. And if Rodney and her sister need a place, Judy, her sister's name is Judy, if they need a place to stay, they'll come to the hotel also. Danny went food shopping. He got gas in one of the cars. There's no gas in some of the gas stations, and there's no milk left, and there's no bread. But the weather is beautiful. Just beautiful. There's all the surfers. We're like 4 houses in, so it shouldn't be so bad. I don't think we have any problems to worry about. But if we're mandatorily evacuated, then I guess we gotta leave. And that's all. And there's surfers. Kids. These kids are waiting for the big wave that's gonna come in a minute. And see what's going on. Ah, there's one. Is that number 7? Is that number 7? Yep, they took it. That must be number 7. There he goes. You see him? There he goes. Oh, he's doing good. These kids are waiting for a nice big wave. Here they come. Oh, he flipped over. Okay, I'm shutting it off now. Bye. Good luck, ocean.